Hi guys, in this demo, we're going to show you how to use VoiceZam, how to set up a file, how to upload your files, and how to use some of the basic features. So to get started, we're going to come up here to this area right here where it has a plus sign and under categories, and we're going to select that. We're going to click on it and it will take us to a new file, and I'm going to clear this so we can actually go away. Well, it's going to be obstinate here. All right. And here in this file, we have several options. We have create new category, audiobook, automotive. Now, all of these I've added myself, video game characters and the rest of that. So for you, you'll be starting out with just create new category. So let's do that. We're going to add a name to this. It's going to be called test. And then we're going to come down here. And actually, before we go down there, I'm going to show you this. It actually says use or upload individual files or individual reads. And the reason for that is that VoiceZam does not support, or it does, but it's not under the laws of the actual VoiceZam player. They don't recommend uploading a full demo. And if you would like that, the engineers there at VoiceZam can actually break up your demo for a minimal fee. But in our case, we're only going to use individual files. So to get started, we're going to start with this one right here. We're going to click on select file, and we're going to upload only MP3s. And when we upload them, it will show you down here. It says required encoding, stereo, 128 to 320 kilobits per second, 44.1 thousand hertz. So we're going to upload those. But as you can see right here, it says, gives you the name, and then also gives you the option to remove it. Say you uploaded the wrong file, or say you uploaded or put in there a WAV file instead of an MP3. So after you've done that, we're going to hit the save button, and it will come up with this message asking you to make sure that this is not a composite demo, that these are individual reads and individual tracks. And so since they are, we're just going to confirm it. Now, if say you had uploaded something else, then you would actually go through the process that they would recommend right there. So it will think here for a few seconds, and then the files will be uploaded, and you'll see them here under test, and they show up right here. So first and foremost, we're going to start off with the moving around of demos is very easy. You just take your mouse over here where it has these little bars. You grab it, select, and hold, and move your file around where you want it. The next thing we can do is we can change the name of the file. So we're going to click on the name itself, and say I just wanted to say how to make pizza. How to make pizza. I'm not going to get real detailed here. I'll just show you how it works. The next option that we have over here is offline. Now, our files at this point are offline. They're not online. Nobody can see these files. So our goal is to actually put these online so people can actually hear the demo itself. So all we have to do is click on the area where it says offline, and it turns it to online. Very quick, very easy. And you can do that for all of these if you want. Or in our case, I'm just going to leave them offline because I don't want these showing up on my demo itself. The next option we have is delete. Now, delete gives us the option, say we uploaded the wrong file. Okay, well, we just hit delete, and it shows you this. Are you sure you really want to delete this? Well, in our case, no, we don't want to delete it. So we'll leave it up there. Then our next option is adding tags. So in this instance, say this is pizza. So we could say Pizza Hut. You know, I could type in Pizza Hut. Now, when somebody types into Google, voiceover Pizza Hut, this has the ability to show up in the list. It's now visible under the Google search engine. Another nice feature, which I'm going to show you here, is the add tag to all. Since all of these demos are e-learning, we're going to add tag to all. And I'm going to say e-learning, and watch what happens. It adds the tag to each and every one of these demos. Very handy. Saves you a lot of hassle in trying to actually set everything up and entering and data transfer and all the rest of that. So, and then after you've added all your group tags, you can add your individual tags. So this is Honda. So, you know, we'll just say Honda. Once that's complete, now we can come over here and we have several other options. But actually, before I get to that, let's start over here. Let's actually complete this. So once your demo is completed, you want to hit this icon up here, which is the lock. As you can see, it's unlocked. These up here are locked. They're green. So we're just going to click on the lock, and it shows us several options, as is or seamless. As is the file itself, exactly as you hear it on your computer and the rest of that. It has the space at the beginning and the space at the end. Seamless adds a 2-second fade at the end so that it will be a seamless playthrough, so there won't be any breath in between. And it will take your file and make it go right to the next. Once you've selected as is or seamless, whichever one you prefer, you can go ahead and set it all reads online and lock, or continue in lock category, or cancel. In our case, we're just going to click continue and lock category. And it will take a few seconds to do that. Once it's done, we're going to come over here, and we have several options. We can unlock, we can add media, which means we're going to add another track to this, which let's just do that. I'm going to take you over here to this. So now, as you can see, it's selected test as the demo. And say we missed, I don't know, VR. We're going to add another VR. Now we can upload it, confirm that this is an actual demo like we did before, and we'll bring it over into the actual file itself. And now it shows up. Now you can see we have 2 VRs, and this one doesn't have the tag e-learning. So that's an easy way to do that. Or if you say uploaded the wrong category, now you can delete this category completely. But we're also going to show you how to use Create ZAM Link. Now this is the special option that allows you to send out a special code to your clients so they can actually go and listen to a private viewing of this actual demo itself. So in our instance, we're just going to create a test ZAM link. And so as you can see, it shows up our ZAM link right here. We're going to come over here, and we're going to open a new tab and paste that code in there. And as you can see, it loads up that demo for that actual demo. Actually, in this case, it actually loaded up the commercial, which is because when I selected ZAM link, we have options up here, and you can't see this right now because I've got this window over it, but there's options within that window to actually create that ZAM link. Anyway, so it loads up your demo, and as you can see, it's a private page. It's not your website. It's actually VoiceZam's website under your name, and it gives you just this demo itself. But since our demo is not visible, and since there's nothing online at this point, then nobody's actually going to listen to that. Now, for instance, say I cut it online. I'm going to say unlock category, and we're going to cut 2 of these online, and then I'm going to lock this very quickly, and then I'll come back and we'll fix this real quick. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to refresh the page. Now, it should take us
Today, we're going to talk about making
to this page where it actually plays those 2 demos. Because we didn't have it online, they don't show up in the actual category. But since it's now online, you can see test down here in the actual demo itself. So we've completed everything here. All of these are online. And at this point, I'm actually going to delete this because I don't want it on my system because all of my other demos are there. And now it's as simple as that. It's gone. It's gone. So I hope that's maybe helped you get started with the actual VoiceZam process of how to set up a file, how to get it used, and hopefully you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Anyway, have a great one. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below in the video, and I'll be sure to try to get back with you.